Hey, so in this video, I want to talk about one of the current projects, wiris. And so the goal of wiris was to get away from the multiple choice types of questions. Now, I know you guys aren't in education, but what's wrong with multiple choice types of questions is that you guys probably know from taking tests yourselves is that multiple choice types of questions are often gameable and they're not very dynamic. We're not really testing student knowledge. So it'd be amazing to come up with another technological solution that can go one step further, go beyond that. So with wires, here's a quick example is if you look at this, I got a perpendicular line, find the perpendicular line to this line going through this point, okay? So check this out. So look at these variables, -4/3 plus 6, and then 6, -5. I'm going to reload this and check out what happens. Those variables change every time the student sees this problem. So now we have an infinite amount of problems with one type of problem, right? So this eliminates that problem where students are smart. They're going to start to game your questions if you have the same one. They're going to memorize the answers, and soon we're not testing knowledge anymore. We're just testing the student's ability to game the system. The next cool thing about this, look at this, no multiple choice questions. The student is required to actually type their answer into the box. And then that's not the right answer. But if it was, this engine is able to check this and see if it's mathematically equivalent to the correct answer. So it really expands the level of knowledge that we're testing with students. And this is something that I researched, that I developed, and kind of brought to my team to add to our curriculum. And behind the scenes, how it all sets up is wiris gives you this environment. It's kind of like a pseudo programming environment. You have to learn their library, their particular methods and stuff like that. And you can kind of see here, it's like this pseudo programming. You got a loop going on here. We're assigning random numbers. And it's basically just learning their library of methods, and then we're plotting it all out with particular properties. Okay, so and then the answers are dynamically based upon previous variables that you call out. Okay, so I just want to give you a quick overview of this current project and how it relates to my programming knowledge. And the thing with these is I have to create tons and tons and tons of these, so it's good practice. Just let me know if you got any questions about this.